Just got back from walking to Family Dollar with my boys, and I picked up some frozen fruit. And there's this homeless guy that I see almost all the time. I try to buy him something to eat and stuff. And God just told me that this bag of fruit is for him. We are the way. So I'm going to give it to him. We are the way. Blessings are coming, but we have to be obedient. We have to follow. We are the way. Guys, me and my sons, we just left Family Dollar. I was about to make breakfast, and God was telling me, you need to go to Family Dollar. You need to go to Family Dollar. And I was like, well, I got everything I need. It's like, no, you need to go to Family Dollar. So then I got a taste for some frozen fruit and some chocolate milk. And I was like, okay, I can go make smoothies. I'm going to walk and go get that so we can have that as the first thing on our stomachs. So we walking, we get there, and I see this young lady behind us. She looked panicking. I ain't paying no attention. I'm just talking to my kids. And God tells me, pay for her stuff. And I looked to see what she had, because, you know, I'm on a tight budget too, but I want to be obedient because we are the way. And she only had a pack of Pampers, and she looked so worried. She had a card in her hand, and so it was my turn, and he picked up all her stuff, and I said I would like to pay for her stuff. And she looked like, really? And I said, yeah, can you get her Pampers? I'll pay for it. And the guy rang it up, and she said, thank you. And I said, no problem, just pay it forward. We are the way, guys. There is no government that's going to come and save us. It's us. We just have to listen to the signs. When God says move, even if it don't make any sense, like it didn't make sense for me to leave the house because I had fresh fruit in the house. I got a whole pineapple that I haven't cut up. But God put the taste of the frozen fruit in my mouth and some chocolate milk to want to make that for my family. And because I was being obedient, I was able to bless someone else. And the girl ended up coming out behind us, but then she was in this car that was parked out, and we're walking. And I saw her just kind of stop, and she broke down and cried. We are the way. You just have to be obedient. We are the way. We are the miracles that we seek. Just, even if it don't make any sense, do it. If God tells you to go somewhere that you don't normally go, listen to that voice. Do it. You just don't know how much it will bless you. Miracles are happening. We are the way. I love you.